Welcome to the second video in our blockchain series. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the history of blockchain technology, exploring its roots, development, and evolution to where it is today. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. Blockchain technology has its roots in computer science and cryptography, two fields that have been around for decades. In fact, the first cryptographic techniques were developed during World War II, when code breaking played a critical role in military intelligence. From there, cryptography evolved alongside computer science, as researchers developed new ways to secure digital communications and data. One of the most important breakthroughs was the invention of public key cryptography in the 1970s, which made it possible to securely transmit information without a shared secret. Meanwhile, computer networks were also becoming more widespread, as businesses and governments began to rely on them for data storage, processing, and communication. By the 1980s, the first versions of the Internet were beginning to emerge, connecting computers across the globe in a vast, decentralized network. It was against this backdrop that blockchain technology began to take shape. In the early 1990s, researchers began exploring the idea of a decentralized, tamper-proof ledger that could be used to record and verify transactions without the need for a centralized authority. Over the next 2 decades, various blockchain prototypes were developed and tested, but it wasn't until the invention of Bitcoin in 2008 that the technology really began to take off. Bitcoin's creator, who went by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper outlining a decentralized digital currency that used blockchain technology to prevent double spending and other fraudulent activities. From there, the technology has continued to evolve and expand, with new cryptocurrencies, applications, and use cases emerging all the time. Today, blockchain technology is being used to secure everything from financial transactions to digital identity, and its potential for disruption and innovation is only growing. And this is it for the history of blockchain technology. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and the future of technology.